Hi, my name is Theodora of Doors Door Designs, and I am making a funky bow. A funky bow consists of two loops on one side and one loop on the opposite side. I am starting with the 8-inch tail and using, um, sunflower 2.5-inch ribbon. Next, I'm using a window pane 2.5-inch ribbon, doing the same thing, however, starting on the opposite side. So my two loops on the second row will be on the side where one loop is on the first row, and vice versa. Now I'm using a 2.5-inch yellow ribbon, following the same process. Two loops on one side, one loop on another side, and ending with an 8-inch tail. Now I decided after I put this down that I wanted the sunflower ribbon to be more prominent, so I am going to reorder them. Putting back the yellow, and then I'm going to add the window pane and then the sunflower. It really makes a difference. And again, the funky bow, you do two loops on one side and one on the opposite side. And then when you do the next row, you do the opposite same thing, if that makes sense. I started out trying out the yellow polka dot, the black polka dot on yellow. However, I really wasn't too keen on that, so I decided to try something else. Always okay to change your mind in the middle of a design. So I just went through the thought processes of what I had on hand, and I finally used the yellow. Here I'm just doing one loop on each side and a center loop in the middle to cover the mechanics. I cinch it with a zip tie and add a pipe cleaner so that it can be attached to your wreath, lantern swag, or mailbox, or whatever you would like to attach it to. Now here I am fluffing the blow, and this is one of my favorite things to do. I probably spend more time fluffing than I do making the bow. It has to be just right. And then I dovetail the ends. You don't always have to dovetail. You can do just a slanted uh, cut. On the window pane, I would cut it straight across because it will ravel. A little more fluffing, and we're almost done. What do you think? Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.